Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV showing up another SUV at Wheaton Honda. You definitely won't be short on space in this 2015 Nissan Armada Platinum. The big SUV has seating for 7, which includes a power folding third row that can be laid down for even more cargo room. Enjoy a leather interior with heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, heated captain's chairs in the second row, and dual zone climate control. There's also a rear entertainment system with dual screens in the headrest that can play DVDs or be hooked up to a gaming system. That's not all. You get keyless entry, remote start, heated power folding side mirrors, a power liftgate, and a backup camera with parking sonar. The infotainment center comes with navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio, and an 11-speaker Bose sound system. The 5.6-liter V8 engine provides 317 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. It's controlled by a 5-speed automatic transmission with the tow haul mode. This thing can tow up to 9,000 pounds, which should be more than enough to haul around your toys this summer. Plus, the all-mode 4-wheel drive will have you ready for a variety of driving conditions. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just make a trip down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.